What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Suicide Squad movie comes out today, and I'm very excited for the new movie. And to help celebrate, I'm going to show you how to make a vegan suicide chocolate cake, otherwise known as a death by chocolate cake. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes they won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So, for this recipe, you'll need 1 box of vegan chocolate cake mix, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 or 2 containers of vegan chocolate icing, a pack of chocolate Oreos, some vegan chocolate pudding mix, and also something to make the cake mix. So I'm going to use some vegan chocolate yogurt and some vegan chocolate milk. Some suggested toppings I'm going to use are some vegan chocolate chunks, some vegan chocolate chips, some chocolate sprinkles, as well as some chocolate syrup. And I'm going to use some vegan chocolate bars, and I'm going to use endangered species chocolate. If you don't know about endangered species chocolate, they donate 10% of their net profits to help save endangered species, and that is certainly something we can get behind here at Earth's Cuisine. So if you haven't checked out endangered species chocolate, make sure you do so. And I'm going to use 3 different kinds. I'm going to use their bold silky dark chocolate, their strong velvety dark chocolate, and their oat milk dark chocolate. So you have a little bit of a vegan milk chocolate to use as well. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. All right. And here we have our vegan death by chocolate cake. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.